Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade futures with Charles Schwab. First, you need to have a Charles Schwab account set up. If you haven't done that yet, visit the Schwab website and sign up for an account. Make sure to select the appropriate account type for trading futures. Once you have an account, log into your Schwab platform. Next, you will need to enable futures trading on your account. This typically requires you to fill out a brief application to assess your trading experience and risk tolerance. Once your application is approved, navigate to the trading platform. Charles Schwab offers different platforms, including Street Smart Edge, which is specifically designed for active traders. When you are in the platform, locate the Futures Trading section. You can find it by searching for futures in the Trading Tools or Market section. Here you will see a list of available futures contracts. Select the market you wish to trade in and review the contract specifications, including margin requirements and expiration dates. Now you are ready to place an order. Decide whether you want to go long or short and select the order type that fits your strategy, such as market or limit orders. Review all details carefully before submitting your order. After your order is placed, monitor it through the platform to manage your position and adjust your strategy as needed. Happy trading!